Hi guys, it's Michelle Crisanti here, Rock Reiki, and I just wanted to share a little bit with you about the stars today, or actually in particular the moon today. Um, this this my YouTube channel, is a really cool new phase of development for me, and I am really excited about it. And one thing that has been a little bit on my brain is that I actually launched this during Mercury retrograde. So I want to talk about that for a minute because Mercury retrograde has a really interesting reputation. Mercury is the planet of communication and like short distance travel. It rules the houses of Gemini, which is the house of communication, as well as the house of Virgo, which is service and health. And the energy of that Gemini, Mercury, the um, and Virgo for that matter, is all about the collective on a small scale. So it's like parties, it's like gossip, it's like networking on a local level. The energy is very quicksilver. It's very, like, and when Mercury is retrograde, that means it looks like it's moving backwards in the sky. And Mercury goes retrograde 3 times a year, moves forward 4 times and backwards in the sky 3 times. And right now it is going backwards. It has been going backwards for the last couple of weeks, and it's going to continue to look like it's going backwards all the way until this Sunday. Well, right now is actually slowing down and getting ready to turn direct again on Sunday. And the moon is coming out of its full phase on March 31st. We had that big Libra full moon, blue moon, right, the night before Easter. We had Easter Sunday, we had Easter Fool's Day. I mean, with this massive weekend of wah! And now we've been coming out of that. So we're a week out of that. We are just less than a week towards Mercury going direct again. And that same day, we are going to have a new moon in Aries. So the moon will be nice and dark, and the Mercury will be in a reset position, and everything's resetting and kind of moving forward from there. So if you think back about a month ago, what was happening in your life? And I personally, since January has kind of hit the ground running and blah, into the new year. And then it came up where there were all these little structural pieces that needed to be put in place, like putting up my YouTube channel, like getting my email lists in place, like, getting some of the backstage things accomplished because I couldn't go any further without, the next level of the structure. And for me, this last couple of weeks, this Mercury retrograde has been all about not being, you know, in the scene as much as behind the scenes and making sure those pieces are in place. And I don't know about you. I don't know what ideas you're incubating or what it is that you came here to, bring forth this year. But what is it that, if you had a chance to move forward, what is it you want to move forward on? You've got a few more days. We have the moon in Aquarius right now, which should be inspiring us and energizing us to take steps towards our next phase, whatever that is. What is that for you? Do you want a new job? Do you want a new habit? Do you want to plant your garden? Do you want to get your chores done? Whatever that is, what is it? Then in the next day, Thursday, Friday, as we're rolling into the weekend, we're going to have the moon in Pisces. It's going to be getting darker. We're going deep into the subconscious. Watch your dreams. The next couple of days are all about dream energy and really paying attention to what's going on in there. What is it you want? What is it you're seeing? What is it your subconscious wants to clear? That will be coming up. as we move through the weekend, as we move into that new moon, as we move into Mercury moving forward, it will be time to take action. It will be time. This next moon phase, I have a feeling some things are really going to fall into place that you might have been working on for the last 18 months or so. Really a good time for you to know what ducks you want in a row and to move out some of the chaff. I'm suggesting that, and it's never a bad time to do this, but we're really being supported by the energies right now to take a saltwater bath, go visit the ocean, take a shower and visualize all of the stress and tension and anxiety and fear or whatever pouring off of you and being washed down the drain and going far, far away. Taking a look at what you're eating, being gentle with yourself. The next few days, being gentle with yourself and watching your words, because Mercury is also ready for a fight. And Mercury coming out in the sign of Aries, ooh, there could be some head-to-head. But we do have Venus in Taurus, and we do have the Sun moving into Taurus very soon. So that'll soften some things up. But right now, charged up, ready to rock. Are you ready to rock? If you want to get ready to rock, I'm here. This is what I'm doing. I'm here. This channel is all about helping you learn more about this stuff, helping you take what you already know and, make it a bigger and better thing by merging things together, and about taking it to the streets, taking it out into the public eye, stepping into your power, stepping into your superpower, sharing with others. What is it you want to heal? What is it you've already healed? What is it you want to help others with? Let's go. That's what this is about. That's what Rock Reiki is about. I've got tons of stuff to share. Hope you keep coming back. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you really feel inspired, share. I appreciate you being here. I'm going to bring you more fun things. I'm going to give you ways to learn all kinds of fun stuff. Chakras, tarot, energy work, moon phases, you name it. We're on it. Thanks for being here. I will see you soon. Careful, it's Mercury retrograde sliding into home base. See you soon.